Look at this powerful Mayan-inspired tattoo. The detailed calendar, sacred symbols, and warrior faces represent time, strength, heritage, and the mysteries of an ancient civilization. Blue rose with beautiful butterflies. This tattoo is all about love, transformation, and freedom. The deep blue shade gives it a bold, elegant look, while the butterflies symbolize new beginnings. A perfect design for anyone who wants beauty with a deeper meaning. Wait, is this a tattoo? Or is a giant claw breaking through the skin? This incredible 3D design creates the illusion of cracked skin, sharp claws, and a realistic opening. A perfect example of how tattooing can turn skin into a mind-blowing optical illusion. Is that a tattoo? Or is the skin twisting into a vortex? This mind-bending 3D head tattoo uses bold black lines and perfect symmetry to create an incredible optical illusion. And the shark emerging from the neck makes this design even more wild. Have you seen this insane 3D dragon tattoo ever? The realistic shading, depth, and details make this dragon look like it's actually coming out of the skin. A bold design for anyone who wants their tattoo to stand out. Wait, is that spider crawling on his neck? Look again. It's actually a mind-blowing 3D tattoo. The glossy body, realistic shadows, and clever placement create an illusion that makes this spider look completely alive. Is that a tattoo, or is something actually coming out of the skin? Look at this insane 3D style tattoo. The detailed mechanical design creates a crazy illusion, while the blue tube-like element appears to flow naturally from the back of the neck. The shading and highlights make it look almost real. Would you dare to get a tattoo like this? What if your tattoo could literally transform you into a monster? Check out this incredible werewolf tattoo. The realistic fur, terrifying eyes, sharp fangs, and intense facial details create an amazing 3D illusion around the ear. This design turns the entire side of the head into a work of dark art. Would you get this tattoo? This isn't a portal to another dimension, but it definitely looks like one. Check out this stunning 3D neck tattoo. The vibrant purple flower appears to pop right out of the skin, while the dark geometric frame and flowing black and gray details create incredible depth. The highlights make the whole design look almost three-dimensional. Would you wear this bold neck tattoo? Wait, is his back breaking open, or is this tattoo playing tricks on your eyes? Look at this incredible 3D back tattoo. The cracked geometric blocks create the illusion of a broken wall, revealing a stunning mountain landscape underneath. The realistic shadows and depth make the scenery look like it's actually inside the body. Would you get this mind-blowing tattoo? This arm looks like it belongs to a robot from the future. Check out this insane 3D mechanical tattoo. The raised hexagonal shapes, metallic tubes, bolts, and deep shadows create the illusion of a futuristic machine built into the arm. The realistic highlights make every part look almost detachable. Would you turn your arm into a piece of machinery? Is that rose sitting on the skin, or is it actually coming out? Look at this stunning 3D chest tattoo. The realistic red rose takes center stage, surrounded by bold geometric shapes that create a deep, layered effect. The shadows and highlights make those blocks look raised from the skin. A perfect combination of romance and 3D illusion. Would you get this design? This might be one of the craziest 3D tattoos ever. The floating blocks make it look like his chest is exploding open, but underneath is a stunning wilderness scene. It looks like his skin has literally been ripped open, revealing an entire forest and river hidden underneath. That 3D illusion is insane. Look closely at this tattoo. Those pieces aren't floating. Incredible shading and perspective make them look like they're coming straight out of his chest. Imagine having a tattoo that looks like your skin is literally cracking open. This 3D masterpiece reveals a glowing geometric universe underneath. Look twice, this isn't a painting on her skin. It's an incredible 3D tattoo, making this classic portrait appear to break through the skin with floating blocks all around it. How is this tattoo even possible? The flowers, portrait, and cosmic background look completely flat, until you notice the 3D blocks, creating an unbelievable illusion. He turned his arm into a portal to outer space. With a flying saucer, distant planets, and 3D hexagons, this tattoo looks like a scene from another dimension. Beyond the stars, something is waiting. This stunning sleeve combines deep space colors, planets, a UFO, and dimensional geometry to create a tattoo that feels truly out of this world. Is that a real rose growing out of the hand? This incredible 3D rose tattoo uses realistic shading, highlights, and depth to create an almost lifelike effect. The rose seems to rise right from the skin. Would you dare to get a tattoo this realistic? Follow for more amazing tattoo ideas. If love and death could be tattooed on the same hands, look at this incredible matching tattoo concept. One hand shows a mysterious woman, while the other reveals a terrifying skull. The candles and dripping wax add an amazing dark, realistic effect. A perfect design for couples who love dark art. Would you get this? Is that a real lollipop stuck to the skin? This mind-blowing 3D tattoo makes a simple lollipop look unbelievably real. The detailed wrapper, twisted stick, shadows, and highlights create an amazing illusion of depth. It looks like you could actually grab it off the skin. Would you get this playful 3D tattoo? Look at the incredible realism in this portrait tattoo. Every wrinkle, strand of hair, and facial detail is carefully shaded to create a lifelike expression. The depth and fine line work make this portrait look almost three-dimensional. Truly an amazing piece of tattoo art. Is that a tiny cat sitting on the skin? Or is your eyes playing tricks on you? This adorable 3D tattoo creates the illusion of a real little cat walking across the arm. The detailed fur, tiny paws, shadows, and highlights give it incredible depth. It's small, cute, and surprisingly realistic. Would you get this little companion tattooed? This tattoo isn't just covering the chest, it's completely transforming it. Look at this incredible 3D style chest tattoo. The bold black patterns create a powerful illusion, while the realistic face appears to emerge through the intricate ornamental design. The symmetry, negative space, and deep shading make this chest piece truly unforgettable. Would you wear a design this bold? What if your tattoo didn't just tell a story, but became part of your body? This insane 3D artwork creates the illusion of a figure breaking through the skin. This tattoo is playing tricks on your eyes. Look closely. The depth, shadows, and realism make it look like this person is actually trapped inside the skin. For more amazing tattoo ideas, techniques, and tattoo training, subscribe to our channel, Tattoo 18. Keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.